Ang init naman, ang init. Napakainit, napakainit.
Ano ba naman yung kapar? Yung kakain na lang ko, nandiyan ka na naman.
Oy, sabihin mo na ako ano yung mainit na balita.
Video kapar, nahuli.
Oh,
Nasa kustodiya na ng Indonesia. Itong si Cassandra Ong o si Cassie Ong na tinatawag ni Mr. Harry Roque. At yung kapatid ni Alice Goo
ala,
na si Sheila Lial Goo.
ala.
Grabe talaga mga kabata helmet. Mainit-init pa itong balita kay Epalan natin, no?
Oh.
Pero talagang salute talaga tayo sa Indonesian government.
Ay, ang galing.
Buti pa sila! Video kapar, no?
Oo. Ang galing
Pero
sa
ito,
Indonesia.
oo, pero ito, panoorin niyo muna.
Welcome to the program.
Good afternoon, Carmina. Good afternoon to our televiewers.
How much do you welcome this latest development? Alice, the sister of Alice Go, Sheila Go, and Cassandra Ong apprehended in Indonesia. And we were just talking to Secretary Abalos. He says that he has information that points to the two being back here in Manila by end of day. Senator.
Well, Carmina, it goes to show that the world is becoming smaller and the long arm of the law will eventually catch up with them. This is a temporary setback for the country, and I believe that eventually all of the Go members of the Go family will be apprehended. Sheila has an outstanding order of arrest here in the Senate. So as soon as she arrives here in the Philippines, because I believe that her Philippine passport got canceled, therefore she will be deported by the Indonesian government. But as soon as she arrives here in the Philippines, the Senate will take custody of her.
When did you know that they were actually apprehended in Indonesia? Did you know before the secretary knew it?
Well, we have some information, but it wasn't validated. Some of the agencies were giving us information. However, it's good that the secretary made it official at this point, and the Senate is very grateful to the PNP, the enforcement agencies, because now we can pursue truth, and Sheila is a key figure in the Go family businesses.
Still, Senator, people are asking, why did it have to happen? I mean, even the president is dumbfounded that the escape happened. Was there an HDO? Was there a lookout bulletin ordered? Was the warrant of arrest enough to apprehend Alice Go upon sight? What should have happened there, Senator?
Unfortunately, all of these cases take time, Carmina, and that's why there's no official court order to issue a whole departure order. There's a lookout bulletin, but the lookout bulletin basically just tells us that this person is at the airport and there's an attempt to leave the Philippines. But there's no legal basis for the Bureau of Immigration to hold any of these individuals. And because the cases take time. And that's why the immediate action, in which we appreciate and thank the President, was to cancel their passport so that their travel and their movement will be limited. And eventually, the Bureau of Immigration of those countries will have a basis for deporting these individuals because they can no longer travel around the region.
Ayan din po yung post ni Senrisa Bidjogapur, talagang nasa kustodiya na ng immigration. Itong si Cassie Ong at si Sheila Go. Grabe, no? May kapatid din pala talaga itong si Alice Go Bidjogapur.
Sino ang tumulong makatakas tong mga ito?
Ito pa, Bidjogapur. Ano ba yung importansya nitong si Cassie Ong? Diba, Bidjogapur? Bakit ba kailangan talaga siyang humarap? Kasi siya yung missing link, siya yung magko-connect the dots nung mga nasa likod nitong pogo na to at kung ano ba yung kaugnayan ni Mr. Harry Roque at ni Alice Go. Diba, Bidjogapur? Kaya yun nga, diba? Kaya nga iniimbitahan sila sa hearing. Pero ayan ha, maraming salamat talaga sa Indonesian government, diba?
Ang galing nila.
Ang galing talaga, Bidjogapur.
Diba?
Parang last week lang yata. Pero
Oo.
ayan, nagkaroon kagad ng action. Talagang communication lang talaga, Bidjogapur. Pero dito talaga sa Pilipinas, nagtataka ako, bakit talaga nakalusot yung mga yan?
Eh diba, sabi nga, only in the Philippines.
Kaya nga, yung baha only in the Philippines. Pati ba naman yung, Diyos ko. Pero eto, Bidjogapur, nakuhanan pala talaga tong si Alice Go, no? Ayan yung picture, oh.
At sino na naman ang kumuha ng picture?
Saan galing na? Ano ba yan? CCTV? O talagang may paparazzi, diba? Nakakaloka talaga mga bata helmet. Pero, ayan na nga. Comment down below nyo na dyan kung ano yung masasabi nyo. Pero, nagkakaroon na rin ng liwanag. At ang daming hearing ngayon, ha? Sabay-sabay talaga.
Sabay-sabay.
Nakakaloka. Pero, gusto ko yung sa drug, ano yan? War on drugs. Grabe talaga mga kabata helmet yung napakinggan ko. Kaya mamaya abangan nyo yan. Pero dito muna tayo dahil super mainit na balita dito.
Mainit-init pa.
Yes! At ito na ang ating comment of the day mga kabatang helmet. Ang dami nagko-comment sa atin. Mario Kabungan. Ayan na kay Sir Mario Kabungan. Yung libro ng mga bata ay prog na dapat ng DepEd. Bakit sinasakop o pinapakailaman pa ni Sir Ramao? Ano para may kurakutin na naman siya, 10M, ilang hours, kaya niya gagastahin, kaya yung 1 to 5M by 11 days. Sabi ni Sir Mario Kabungan, shout out sa'yo, Sir Mario Kabungan, maraming salamat sa komento nyo. Pero ayan nga, no, nakakaloka lang talaga. Diyos ko, yung isang kaibigan, makakaroon daw yan ng sequel.
Dalawang kaibigan.
Hindi, ano daw?
Ano?
May balak talaga si Madam Sara na maglabas ng bukto niyan, Bidyo Gapar.
Para ipakita naman niya na talagang nagsusulat siya ng libro.
Ang kaibigang nag-try the heart. Charot.
Oh?
Kasi the betrayal daw eh. Ang traitor na kaibigan, di ba? Pero nakakaloka lang talaga. 10M yan, mga kabatang helmet. Napaka-pricey.
Mura lang yan. Mura-mura lang.
Mura lang, Bidyo Gapar. Mahal-mahal.
Mura lang yan. Ano, babe?
Ha? 10M galing sa tax natin yan, huy.
Oh, mura lang nga.
Sana inallocate na lang sa ibang bagay, di ba? Pero, ayan nga, mga kabatang helmet, comment na kayo dyan at baka yun na makuha namin para sa comment of the day. Basta stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe tayo as always. Sabi nga sa buhay nyo, helmet din ang book, it's getting better every day. God bless everyone. Bye! Grabe talaga.
Pakainit.
Talaga, Indonesia.
Pakainit.
Jobber, tara na.
Ang init ng balita. Ang init ng balita.